And the test is going to be a memory test. So every one of you guys, grab yourself something to write on. We got note cards over here, tons of pens. Those of you guys in the back, you're gonna have to write on your hands. Now that goes for you too. Grab yourself a piece of paper and something to write with, because there's no point in going forward unless you participate in this interactive experiment. Couple of rules. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a list of words. I'm going to show them and I'm going to read them to you. Don't write or do anything until I say go. After I've shown them and you've read them, I'm going to say go. You'll have 1 minute to write down as many of those words as you possibly can remember, okay? Couple things to remember. First of all, the first 3 or 4 words are going to come back instantly. That's just because you're regurgitating the information you just got. Then it is going to get hard. When it gets hard, do not give up. That's when you're starting to access true memory. When it gets hard, I want you to close your eyes and visualize what it looked like. Try to remember what it sounded like when I read the words, and you will be able to remember 5 or 6 more words after that. All right, the words are, and you'll notice that they're all themed. These are all themed around the house. The words are door, glass, pane, shade, ledge, sill, house, open, curtain, frame, view, breeze, sash, screen, shutter. You got 1 minute. All right, time's up. How many guys think you did pretty good? Hands in the air. 2 people. How many guys wish you had a second chance? Hands in the air. All right, I'm going to grant your wish. But now you've got no excuse. You know exactly what's going to happen. I'm going to show the words. You'll have 1 minute to write down as many of them as you can remember. The words are, wow, these are all hospital themed. Nurse, sick, lawyer, medicine, health, hospital, dentist, physician, office, ill, patient, stethoscope, surgeon, clinic, cure. You got 1 minute. All right, time's up. Let's see how you guys did. How many guys think you did better the second time than the first one? A couple of you guys, because you knew what to expect, right? All right, let's see how you guys did. Everyone look at list number 1. Look at list number 1 and raise your hand if you got the word window in list number 1. Hands in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, looks like most of you guys. Keep your hands in the air. Keep your hands in the air. Look at list number 2. Raise your hand if you got the word doctor on list number 2. Hands in the air. So if you got one of those 2 words, put your hands up. Hands up for everyone who got one of those 2 words. If you have your hand in the air, you have experienced a false memory because neither of those words were on either of those 2 lists. This is a trap that psychologists use to prove a point that memory is a really lousy videotape. Study after study shows that no matter how sure you are that a memory is accurate, there's actually no correlation to how true the actual memory is. How many of you guys have had that where you remember your mom or dad saying something happened one way and you remember it totally different, hands in the air, right? Or better yet, like you ever have that where you've got your favorite movie that you haven't watched in a while, you popped it in the DVD player and it got to your favorite line of the movie and the guy says the line wrong? You ever have that? That's what's amazing, is that it's not just that we don't remember what happened, it's that we actually remember stuff that didn't happen. Who got no false words? Who did not get window and who did not get doctor? So of you three, how many did you get, Serafina?
I only got 5 on the first one and 8 on the second.
8, and who could beat 8? Stephanie, can you beat 8?
Yeah, I got more.
How many did you get?
On the first one.
On either of them. Everyone who got a false word is out, but I want to know if on either list, yeah.
Oh, I thought we were doing the first one with the house.
Yeah, we'll do the first one. Whichever one you got. How many? Go ahead and call out the ones you got.
Door, screen, sash, frame, door. Oh, I said door twice. Curtain, breeze, house, glass, and then I got a word that doesn't exist there.
Oh, so you got a false word anyway. What word did you come up
I
with?
did blinds. I don't know.
Wow, that's cool. So that's another one down. So we're down to only. Did you put down blinds as well?
No, I put vine.
You put vine. So literally, Serafina is the only one who had no false words. Let's hear it for Serafina. She's drinking on me. Good job. One of the things I love most about this stunt is that you actually manufacture a false memory, something that never occurred in people's mind. It's real life mind control.